Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adrienne Keyser and I'd like to thank you all so much for joining me today. Today's I'm going to be doing a very quick makeup look. My son and I are going to be doing some filming later today for our holiday decorations, how we're going to be decorating our space. I can't wait to kind of decorate my studio area as well. I'm looking forward to that. So I believe that I'm going to be doing a basic look, but I'm not quite sure what I'm going to be doing. I do know I'm going to be featuring this Morphe Main Event 24M Main Event palette. If you haven't seen it, this is what it looks like on the outside. The packaging is gorgeous. It does come with a mirror on the inside as well. A really great mirror. And this is what the palette looks like. Is that gorgeous? So many looks you can create with this palette. There's cool tones, there's warm tones, there's shimmer shades, glitter shades, satin shades, matte shades. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait. I know that my camera probably is not doing it as much justice as it should, but this palette is gorgeous. I can't wait to dive into this color right here, which I know my camera's not doing it justice. But this is what the palette looks like. So I'm going to do, again, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do. Hopefully it'll be basic, maybe not. And I would like to add that if this is your first time here, please subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below if you have seen any of my other videos to let me know what you think, and also let me know what you think of this video. And without further ado, let's get started. one. So that's it for the look today, you guys. I hope that you all enjoyed watching me create it. As I did mention, I did use the Morphe 24M main event palette for the eyes. I will say that it is Morphe, so the pigmentation is amazing. There was a little bit of kickback in the pan on the matte shadow that I used for my transition shade, and I will also say that the glitter shade did have some fallout. I did need to clean that up and then reapply my primer and everything under my eyes before I went on to my complexion products, but that's not that big a deal. I mean, fallout is fallout. You know how to deal with it. If you know to expect it, do your eyes first. That's sort of the name of the game on that. The protective style that I'm wearing today is sort of a new style for me. I'm not really used to a dark look, although my natural color is this color. I haven't had it this color in so long, so I'm still trying to get used to the dark. So comment below, let me know what you think of the dark wig look, the dark hair look. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you'll come back to join me for my next video. Bye.